Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and first look here of the LG Zone 4 on the Verizon prepaid network. Now looking here at the box, you'll see it has a 5-inch HD display, a 8 megapixel rear camera with a 5 megapixel front facing camera, a 2500 milliamp hour battery. Open up the flap here and you will see there is the device. Put the box around here and you will see some more specs, like it's the color is a Moroccan blue. Supports expandable SD up to 2 terabytes, has a 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor, Android 7.1.2, and a 2500 milliamp hour removable battery. Let's go ahead and get this unboxing underway. Alright, we'll take the top cover off of this box here. We'll pull the phone out and put it to the side and see what all comes in the box. So here we have your LG Zone 4 activate your phone stuff there. You have the back cover here as well as the battery that is stuck in there. And in here you have just a standard micro USB charging cable, as well as a travel adapter with no type of fast charging, nothing like that. Let's go ahead and put all this away and we will look at the phone. Okay everyone, so the phone is in hand. We got the battery here as well, 2500 milliamp hour battery. Let's go ahead and put the battery here into the device. And up top here you will see your nano SIM card slot as well as your micro SD card slot. Let's go ahead and put it on the back cover. So a really nice blue color here on this device. Now in the back here you do get your camera, flash, power button, Verizon branding, LG branding, as well as your rear fire and speaker. Now in the front here, we'll go ahead and pull out this front screen protector. And on the front here, we got your front-facing camera, some sensors, your receiver, and that's just about it. On the bottom, you have your micro USB charging port, microphone, and headset jack. On the left, you got a really nice spaced volume rocker there. On top is a secondary mic, and on the right, you have nothing at all. And that's just about it. Let's go ahead and give this phone its first boot up. Alright, so you got LG Life's Good powered by Android. Now I will say this back here is not a fingerprint scanner, just a power button, a lock button, and all like that. That's not a fingerprint scanner. So yeah, so anyway, I'll go ahead, get it all set up. I will come back when it's finished. Okay everyone, so we're all set up now and ready to go. Got that really nice 720p display there with a 5-inch display. Really nice looking feeling device here. Now I want to go ahead and say this here. You know, a lot of these LG budget phones look the same. Okay, they just pretty much different colors on the back. They had different names for different carriers. This is the LG Zone 4 on Verizon. You have the LG Tribute Dynasty on Boost, the LG Risto 2 on Metro PCS. You have the LG Rizio 3 and Fortune 2 on Cricket. They're all the same exact phone, pretty much the same design, the same layout, same processor, RAM, storage. It's all pretty much the exact same phone. Just for different carriers. But anyway, we'll go ahead and take a look around here and see what the Verizon version here offers. Let's go ahead and close this out here. And the phone does, of course, feel reasonably smooth here at first power up. Over here, you do have a thing called App Flash. Discover the best places, music, movies, news, and more. So, okay, there we go. There is no app drawer here on this particular setup right here. We'll go in there in a minute and see if there is a home and app drawer option. So we'll look at the dialer here, just a typical standard dialer. Little messaging icon down here will take you to your messaging, which is like the Verizon messaging here. And we'll go ahead and go into the settings and look around. And you have the airplane mode, the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, tethering and mobile hotspot, data usage, advanced calling. Turn HD voice on or off, and activate Wi-Fi calling. You have more, so you have mobile networks, view Verizon account, change carrier, activate your Verizon phone on other network. Okay, VPN, printing, and wireless emergency alerts. Got sound, notifications, display for font type, font size, bold text display size, So you can choose if you want your icons bigger or smaller. Comfort view, brightness, auto rotate screen, timeout, home touch buttons here for button combination. So you can choose from different stuff here if you want to change some things around, which is really nice as well. You got background color of black and white, really nice. And you can also choose to hide your home touch buttons. You have the knock on, knock off. You can turn that on or off if you wish. Let's go ahead and scroll on down here to the home screen. We will see if it does have, yes, it does have home, home with separated apps list, and easy home. You got themes. So themes is always nice. You got your LG theme, high contrast, black, and silver. So you got a silver here. I want to apply that and see how that actually does look here. Okay, so here is the silver setup here. So back into the settings, going to the lock screen here, you have your select screen lock. You got password, pin, pattern, and just swipe. You got wallpaper, clock, shortcut, screen, swipe effect, contact info for lost phone, lock timer, and power key instantly locks. Now you also have gaming here as well for gaming tools, gaming graphics, and break time. You got 7.11 gigabytes used out of 16 with 8.89 gigabytes available. You can also add an SD card for extra storage, which is really nice. You got battery here as well, 46% battery. You got battery percentage on status bar, battery saver, stuff like that. You got smart cleaning, so it's nice to have a built-in cleaner without having to, download a third-party cleaner and all that kind of stuff. You can do it right here from your phone. Also, you have location, security account, stuff like that. Now, this phone does run Android 7.1.2 out of the box, so it's running the nougat right there. So no Oreo here, not a big deal for me, but I know some might like that. And February 1st, 2018 security patch. Let's go ahead and go back home here. Take a quick look into the camera here. So nothing really spectacular, nothing really different here. Same layout as on the other phones. Settings, some effects there, your flash, record button here, and into the settings here, you got an 8 megapixel camera. You can record in full HD or 720p. Just a few stuff there like HDR, timer, and cheese shutter. Flip it around to the front camera here. Front camera, what you can expect it to be. It has a 5 megapixel camera on the front, and you can also record in full 1080. Now, price. Now, the price of this phone at Walmart and about anywhere you go is $114 before tax. Now, that's quite a bit of money for what you're getting. I mean, the phone is nice, but the phone is very basic. Okay, there's not a whole lot of bells and whistles on the phone. It's just pretty much your standard Android device that's got 2 gigabytes of RAM with 16 gigabytes of internal storage, with a 720p display, and that's about it. I mean, it's just a really nice budget phone to use, and it's a really good phone. I mean, it does seem to work very well, work very smooth without any problems. But that price tag of $114 plus tax, so around $121, I don't know. Sounds kind of steep to me. What do y'all think? But this just here my unboxing and first look here of the LG Zone 4 on Verizon prepaid. If this was helpful and informative, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it below. I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.